With the XMT 400, we build for the unexpected. Built to help job shops tackle any job, big or small. The XMT 400 will help simplify your fleet by allowing you to get more done with one machine. The XMT 400 has 400 amps at 60% duty cycle. With a dedicated gouge mode, achieve superior gouge performance without the need for an additional machine. Paired with our Intellix wire feeder family, you'll unlock advanced welding processes including Accu-Pulse, HD-MIG, VersaPulse, and RMD, allowing the ability to weld from thin material to thick with precision and performance. Our simplified user interface allows you to easily select the right processes and parameters for every job. The multi-process machine has dedicated settings for gas-shielded wire and self-shielded wire, stick, carbon arc gouging, and TIG. Get the optimal settings for whatever job comes your way, regardless of the primary power available where you're working. AutoLine will allow you to connect to 208 to 575 single or 3-phase power. Easily update your machine in the field with the latest and greatest software simply by using a USB stick. Weighing in at 75 pounds and 4,454 cubic inches, roughly the size of a carry-on luggage, the small footprint and mobile cart provide flexibility without sacrificing reliability. Available with easily interchangeable universal connectors that allow you to use Tweako, DINS, or Camlock-styled receptacles. Compatible with all ArcConnect and 14-pin accessories, the versatile XMT 400 allows you to tackle whatever job comes your way. For more detailed information and product resources, visit millerwelds.com.